Mark and Crescia, when you tell your personal vows to each other, that is actually what you are going to say to each other. Walang iwanan. And thus, the success in marriage requires falling in love with your partner not only once, but many times over, renewing your love over and over and over again and again with the same person through the years, kahit maputi na ang buhok mo. Bisag kunot na ang imong naong.
Ikaw ang bahandi, dugay ko nang gihandom. Ikaw ang bituon, sangit-ngit kong baybayon. Ikaw lang akong igugmaon. Ikaw lang ako matino.
Hindi nga kay guwapa niya, cute kayo niya. Ang mata kay Hazel ba niya, unique kayo. Mga akong initial impression.
Ikaw akong ulan, ikaw akong langit, pangakong kalibutan.
Migo, I always told you about how you lightened my moods, even at my darkest. You have this charisma that uplifts and assures me that everything will be alright. Thank you for being my best friend, my personal psychologist and counselor. Thank you for bringing out the best in me. Without you, the Pring standing here will never be the same. From this day forward, I vow to love, understand, and support you. I vow to honor you as my husband, my best friend, my trekking, travel, board game buddy, my #1 critic and fan, my greatest inspiration, my love, and my partner for life. I'm marrying myself to you in body, mind, and spirit. I love you so much. Let's grow old together.
Ikaw lang akong igugmaon. Ikaw lang ako matinod ako.
I vow to honor you as my wife, my best friend, my #1 rival in board game, my travel and trek buddy, my constant partner in crime and for life. I love you very much. Let's grow old together.
Gitara, huwag ka nang inusara, hindi mo na higugma.
Miga, kanang lipay kay ko na kita na gyud kadayon forever niya dayon atong mga adventures kay padayon gyapon. Miga, I love you.
Ikaw ang katamis, kalipay ng away sama. Ikaw ba nasayod sa likod ng pahiyom? Ikaw lang akong igugmaon. Ikaw lang.
Mark and Crescia, now that you have received the holy sacrament of matrimony, I admonish you to remain faithful to one another.
Ikaw ang